Hi, Alma here, and this is my review of the Yaheetech. It has 20 drawers, and it comes in a box like this with all the drawers and everything. We put it together, and this is how it looks. It's really nice. I love all the shelves. So I'm gonna use these for my receipts for every month. It comes with this metal top. It rolls pretty well on the tile, and the drawers, that's the only thing I don't like about it, is that the drawers, if you pull them, they come out all the way. There's no stopper. Put it in my left hand. Here we go. So they're all nice, and it has 20 of them. I really like it though. It's really nice. And you can just drag it with you to put your crafts. You can use it in a kid's room, anywhere, your bedroom. I'm gonna use this in my office to keep track of all my monthly bills, and I'm gonna label them so I know where everything goes, where everything will go. So it's easier for me at tax time. So this is really nice. I like it. And it was worth the purchase.